Hi there, welcome to the Life Skills Green. If you are new here, we share here educational content and English language learning material with our fellow learners, colleagues and friends. So today in this video, our topic is how to understand difficult English vocabulary when you come across while reading novels, newspaper or online content. You face this problem understanding difficult English vocabulary or idioms and some hard expressions that you don't understand fully. Here I have solution for you how to understand difficult expressions, idioms and English one word vocabulary words. So when you read a paragraph, article or an essay, you should just see the title and the whole text. You can understand from the context. The first thing, main thing is context. What is this all about? What is that all write up, that text, that essay? You should just make some logic. In that way you are going to understand the whole what is this all written material about. The other thing is, if you don't understand a single word meaning in a sentence, then try to understand the whole sentence meaning in context. First thing is this, that if you don't understand one word meaning in a sentence, so you should understand the whole sentence in context. And even if you are not able to understand the whole sentence, you should focus on whole paragraph. Try to understand the whole paragraph meaning, and that is a way that you may reach near to understanding the difficult meaning of that word or paragraph. And if we proceed more ahead, so you should understand the whole essay, the whole article. Then try to make logic in your brain that what is all this content about. In that way you will understand the whole article, the whole essay or any content that you're working on. This has been Nusrat Hussain from Life Skills Green. See you in the next video. Take care.